Hi, my name is Syma Saleem. I'm based in Toronto. I'm a bookkeeping firm. I have used TaxDome for just over 3 years. Incredibly satisfied and happy. It's a one-stop shop. All my clients have their own portals, their document storage, communications. Everyone likes to communicate in a different way. I have some people who like to do the messaging, some people who like to do the emailing. The workflow is awesome, and invoicing, everything. I pretty much use every aspect of TaxDome, and it works great for my firm. They're very, very responsive. Anytime I've had any issues, I just click the chat. They respond pretty much very, very quickly. Any additions or any new features that I've thought of or I've wanted them to look into, they're very easy to request for um, new additions and new add-ons, and they're very, very collaborative, which I really do appreciate. Because when I joined working with TaxHome, it was early on. You were very open to suggestions, and that's one of the things that brought me to TaxHome. How open you are to suggestions. Well, I wish growth for both of us. Um, I wish TaxZone to be a little more collaborative and integrated with other software like Microsoft and Google, which after my conversation with you, I know is in the pipeline. Um, I wish the ability to send quotes, which you've also mentioned is in the pipeline. All my wishes are in the pipeline. So I'm happy.